Hi everyone, welcome to our C++ programming tutorial series. In this video, we are going to write our very first C++ program. My name is Aminul Islam and I will be guiding you through the basics of C++ programming. But before we dive into the code, let's take a moment to learn a bit about what C++ is and why it's important. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs in 1979. As an extension of C programming language, it is designed to be a general-purpose language that supports different programming paradigms such as object-oriented, procedural, and generic programming. Why we should learn C++? First, C++ is known for its high performance and efficiency, making it a popular choice for resource-intensive applications like game development, system programming, and real-time simulations. Additionally, learning C++ provides a strong foundation for understanding other programming languages, as many modern languages are influenced by its syntax and concepts. Now that we have a basic understanding of what C++ is and why it's beneficial to learn, let's move on to setting up our environment and writing our first program. Before we dive into writing code, we need to set up our deployment environment. For this tutorial, we will be using VS Code. It's free and easy to use. I will attach the link below so that you can go and download it from there. Once you have installed it, open it up and you will see a screen like this. So if you prefer other IDEs like Notepad++ or Code Blocks, that's perfectly okay. These steps will be similar. Now that our project is set up, let's write some code. I didn't show you the elaborate process of downloading the VS Code and setting it up because there are already many videos available where you can just check it up and set it up. But if you want me to make an elaborate video on this, just put in the comment section. Okay, so let's start by including the necessary header files. Okay, so the necessary header files I am writing a file which is include iostream. Okay, so this include iostream directive allows us to use the standard input and output stream objects in C++, which are cin, cout, cearr, etc. Okay, so basically what it does it input output stream allows us to stream objects in C++, which are cin, cout, what we do with cin, we basically take inputs and what we do with cout, we basically give the output or show the output. Okay, so now I am writing another line of code or block of code here. So at first I will write the line of code and then I will explain it elaborately line by line which lines means what. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Just see the code what I am writing. So I have told you earlier that why we added iostream, include iostream. So we are using cout function here. So what is the work of cout we will see in this video. I'm writing hello world. Okay, and again standard and l and return 0. Okay, so here you can see I have written a function here which is main function. So this is the main function. Every C++ program or any program you write should have a main function. When the program runs, it starts executing from here only. Okay. So in the next line you can see I have written std Okay. So what does that mean? This is standard character output stream in C++. We are using it to print our hello world to the console. This sign, which is greater than or less than sign operator, is used to send data to the output stream. Okay, and you can see here we have written hello world in double quotes. So what you write in double quotes, inside the double quotes it will be printed as it is. Okay, and after at the last I have written standard and NL. So what does this NL means? It is used to insert a new line after our message. It indicates this this specific line has been ended. Okay, so the full form of endl is end line. Okay, so after this line, if we come to this line and see, I have written return 0. So what does this return 0 means? So this return 0 indicates that program has ended successfully. Okay, so now we have written a block of code. Now let's compile and run our program. So in VS Code, you can find options in your top right corner here, and you can get an option which is run code. Okay, so here if I click run code, you can see our hello world has been printed successfully. Okay, so congratulations, you have written and executed your first C++ program. So that's it for this video. We have successfully written, compiled and run our first C++ program. In the next video, we will deep dive into our C++ basics, including variables, data types and operators. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching.